early bird spots go fast. It's 20% off. Book 4 days in the same week and get 1 free.
Mum, guess what? Holiday tennis is back. It's super fun and we learn heaps of skills. And it gets me off screens in the morning.
Fun? Skills? I'm in.
Mum, listen to this. It's 20% off if you book early.
Discounts? We'll book it.
Head to tennisexcellence.com.au.
So just dance.